Hey guys, welcome back to MDC Technology Central. Today I'll be doing a brief tutorial on how you can reset your Windows 10 PC. Before we get started though, make sure you click the subscribe button and turn on notifications with the bell icon so you won't miss any future videos. Let's get started. Factoring resetting Windows 10 is a last resort option if your computer is having problems and no other solution to fix it is working. A reset would delete all of your apps and any settings you have changed. However, resetting Windows 10 isn't too hard. First, open the Start menu and open the Settings app. Scroll down and click Update and Security. Go to Recovery. In the Recovery page, you'll have the option to reset your PC. Click Get Started. A new dialog box will open and it will ask you if you would like to keep your files or remove everything. I recommend that if you haven't backed up your files, you should keep your file. Even if you already backed up your files, I recommend you should click Keep My Files. However, if you really need to clear Windows up, you can click Remove Everything. Just know, however, that this will delete all of your personal files, your apps, and your settings. For this tutorial, I'll click Keep My Files. The next screen will say Getting Things Ready. Now click Reset. Depending on your device, the time it takes to reset may vary depending on your device. Your PC will also automatically restart several times. When your PC restarts, you'll see it will say resetting this PC along with a progress indicator. Depending on your PC, the time it takes to finish may vary. When your PC has finished resetting, you'll be taken back to your lock screen. When you're logging in, you'll see a screen that says, "We've got some updates for your PC." After a couple moments, you'll be taken to your desktop. On your desktop, you'll see a file that will have a list of removed applications. If you'd like to reinstall your programs, you can refer to this to install them again. If this video helped you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.